Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for L2CE421. This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 2500. Pretty cool unit here, 8.1 liter big block under the hood, 4L60E. I think they got a semi-floating rear end as well too, and I believe the front carrier is upgraded to the 9.5 inch unit. Where's the hood latch on an Avalanche? Hey Andy.
Yeah.
How the heck do you open one of these pieces of crap?
This one's stuck. I'll get it for you.
Andy's gonna help us out with that one while I show off the rest of the truck here. This bad boy is rusty but trusty, so we're gonna have a ton of every video I mess something up. This is rusty but trusty, and we're gonna have a ton of good moldings left for sale on it. In the meantime, Andy got the hood open for us so we can take a look at that 8.1 liter. Full disclosure, the fan is rotted through, and I guess a piece of the rust is clipping the fan shroud, so when we fire it up here, she's going to make a little bit of noise, but it is what it is. Interior of this truck is in very good condition here. We're going to be selling a full seat set. Passenger one's very nice. Driver needs a new bottom. We'll go over that here in just a second. Door panels are in great shape as well. This is the darker ebony color with the heated option. I think it's ebony, it might be called dark pewter. Charcoal, yep, charcoal. I knew somebody'd chime in there. All of these moldings are gonna be for sale, inner and outer. All three pieces here of the tonneau cover. This is where things start to get interesting. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I think of Southern, I think of the South, where things don't rust. This is not what comes to mind here. Anyways, a fool and his money are soon parted if you bought this thing from a Southern Select. Step inside here. $149,228 miles on it, fires right up, makes great oil pressure. Test out that transmission here, the 4L80E, reverse, drive, engage as well. That is all the testing we do on these. I can't take them down the road with the title issues and no insurance. Test out that climate control really fast. It's all working well. All the lights are good. The clusters are known to go bad in these. As you guys can see, this one doesn't have any of the crazy GM needles. Everything is just reading accurate. Fuel gauge is empty. It's probably permanently stuck there, but not because it's broken, just because it's an 8.1. Test out the power window motors really fast. Driver's side is working well. Yep. Let's get over here to the passenger. Oh, that right rear is a little bit slow. That track is probably dirty, but the motor works. Shut it down here. The center console is very nice condition too. We're going to be selling that complete. If you guys have a 99 to 02 Chevy truck, SUV, no, truck or SUV, sorry. This is a direct conversion for a truck with a bench. They're actually split from the factory. You can pull it out and replace it all. Tons of write-ups online on that. Don't look to me for advice, but I know it can be done. The driver's seat here does need a little bit of love. The bolster's kind of worn down in this aftermarket seat cover. Yeah, that happened, but I think $150, $200 on eBay. They sell foam and covers. They come with instructions. Looks factory. You guys will be back in business. We'll adjust the price accordingly. Rear seat coming with the kit is in very nice condition as well. These are specific to the 02, but they've got this pretty cool Chevrolet emblem in them. I'd rock these if I had one of these. Those would be the seats I want. It's a Chevy. You got to show it off with pride, man. Show off your rust. Anyways, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video for L2CE421. It's literally written on the side of it in giant yellow marker, yet I'm blind. All the parts off of this truck will be on our website, www.jnjautowrecking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. Make sure you check us out on social media. Subscribe wherever it is on your screen to our channel, so you guys can stay notified of all the new parts trucks we have in at stock. At stock? That doesn't make much sense. Anyways, guys, I'm John from J&J. Thanks for watching. I'm out.